Another concern about AI that I know you guys have some background in solving, misinformation, and how do we safeguard against that? I think a lot of people are concerned about the LLMs making stuff up. Yeah, how do we safeguard against AI hallucinations?
Source data, like your material, like whatever it is that you've already done is really like the starting point. If you go to ChatGPT or Claude and you ask a question, what you're doing is you're really asking a question of a model that is looking at the entire history of human written civilization baked into that model. And I'll say it's early days around a lot of this stuff, but there are technologies in place like Retrieval Augmented Generation with RAG, if you've heard of it. It's essentially how can you look at a subset of material and focus your task or energy on that material. And so at Astral, like every person that creates an account, when you add stuff to your library, you're creating this knowledge space around your information. And we're basically pulling from that when let's say remix from a specific source or a group of sources or from a topic search, right? What we're doing is we're actually saying, okay, great, Zach, you want to create a new LinkedIn post about how, let's say, course creators can put Astral to work. We have material in our library with examples of how course creators have used Astral. And so when you use the topic search that says, I'm looking for course creators, how they use content creation or how they approach content creation, how they interact around lesson plans and engaging with their audience, what it's doing is it's not looking at the web. What it's doing is it's looking at your knowledge space, your content library, and it's saying, give me all the references that we have in this space about that topic. And then let's take that information and then let's apply it into a LinkedIn post, into a worksheet, into et cetera. The key is to anchor it really around information. And this is true across the board. You're seeing it in enterprise, all of the best, I think, use cases of AI when you're seeing them done right at scale. Like anytime you hear about AI for lawyers, AI for accountants, what they're really doing is they're looking at a very specific focused subset of material to drive whatever it is that they're trying to do in the end. So that's really key. And frankly, the models, the base models will also get better at this over time. I don't know if it's ever a permanently solvable problem. Some people think it's never solvable. Some people think that it's completely solvable. We won't really know for, I think, a few years, but there are tactics and strategies that will only get better. And I think the key that everyone can really understand is you anchor it around information that's trustworthy. And if you do that, then you can really apply it in a bunch of focused ways.